I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams UK step by step. Start by planning study sessions with clear goals for each block and add short breaks. Use a simple timetable that fits your week and stick to set times. Triage topics by exam weight and personal weakness so you study smarter, not harder. Keep resources organized and ready to avoid wasted time and reduce stress. Use active revision to make study stick and build confidence before exams. Do timed past papers to get used to exam pressure and mark scheme expectations. Explain topics aloud as if teaching someone else to reveal gaps in understanding quickly. Employ flashcards with spaced repetition and mix topics each session for better long-term recall. Regular low-stakes testing beats passive rereading and helps you focus on real weaknesses. Create routines that support consistent studying and well-being every day. Set up a tidy, well-lit study space and minimize phone interruptions to protect focus. Prioritize at least 7 hours of sleep before exam days to consolidate memory and sharpen attention. Eat balanced meals and stay hydrated to keep energy steady. Small habits compound, so protect study time, rest, and nutrition to perform your best when exams arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.